Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. On the job I'm performing today, I decided to replace this aftermarket engine air filter. It was dirty, it's part of 30,000 mile service. I was on the edge a little bit, because if you look on this side, it's pretty good, but it's our own vehicle. So I said, oh, whatever, cabin air filter, engine oil change, tire rotation, I want to have it off my list, it will be done. So this was already aftermarket, it's not Toyota part, it's aftermarket engine air filter. Well, I just got the new one, and I'm not sure if I will be able to translate it with the lens of the camera, but I just can't believe my eyes. This is same aftermarket company, it's the same item number, but this is absolute pure junk. Let me start with most obvious thing, and as I said, I'm not sure if the camera will show it, but immediately when I open the box, I can see this whole part is twisted like this. It's not straight whatsoever. It's like going to the right. I'm not sure how to show it. Will you see it this way? The whole filter goes like that. It's absolutely unbelievable. Look at the details of manufacturing. How these fins, some of them are away from each other. Look at this. This is brand new. It's complete chaos. Do you see it? How it's leaning this way? It's like super crazy. When you look at this one, it's absolutely straight, right? Perfect, straight. If I push it here in the corner, this is a straight baby. This thing, it's all twisted. Let's look on the other side. Maybe now you see it. Do you see it as like a whoo? The whole thing. And it was not damaged. The box was perfectly fine. Look at these details. Look how this one, which was made in Europe, it says on it made in Poland. Look how clean. It's a pleasure to take it out of the box. Look at this edge here, right? The paper, the way it's glued in that frame. This is aftermarket, guys. This is not even OEM. And this one was made nice. It says made in Poland. I checked that very fine print on it. The item numbers are identical. This thing goes basically, if I match the bottom, look how it's going to the left. It's following there. Look at these details. This is a joke. Look how it's supposed to be. Look how it looks like. I don't know why the camera doesn't show it. How it's completely crooked to the left. It's absolutely insane. So this is our new normal. That's what they keep telling us. People on the news. This is our new normal, I guess. Get ready for bad times. Now, where this came from? Made in China, my friend. This is what they do there. Absolute hardcore joke in comparison. Made in Poland. I wish I can show you that. I'm not making it up. Right here. Made in Poland. Fabrikuje en Pologne, Hecho en Polonia. There's a number and everything on it, right? Super clean. The build. The filter is dirty, but the build is straight and perfect. This whole thing goes this way. It's completely crooked. If I match the bottom, you can probably see how it goes sideways. So this is our new normal, I guess. I'm not going to use this I'm going to return this. This is absolute crap. Junk. I understand that things can be, there can be, you know, some bad ones, but these details, I don't know what to say. Now, why am I saying it's from China? It's right here. China, made in China, Fabrica en China, Hecho en China. Look, all this glue here left. This is nasty, and I think the right thing, it's not support this and just put it in because it's convenient to just be done with it. I think the right thing is to return, and maybe the supplier will they will get a feedback. I hope they will get a feedback. They will have to deal with it, and maybe they will switch back to the previous supplier. It's also, look at that, it's bouncing this way. It's not square even the other way. There's nothing underneath it, right? There's nothing wrong here. Look what is it doing? Look how twisted and crooked the whole thing is. It's absolute junk. What can we do? Yeah, hopefully it's just a fluke and it's not new standard for our lives. So please share your comments, experience, the wisdom with me and with others below the video. I will definitely read it. What do you think? What is happening nowadays with this world? Thank you for watching, and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See ya.